Inspection reveals significant oxidation and pitting corrosion on the fuselage panels, consistent with heavy salt exposure.
We're seeing heavy pitting on the main blades. Moving back to the fenestron, the erosion on the tail blades is equally severe. The cockpit glass is heavily corroded with significant scratching. Visibility is near zero. The landing skids are going, get it as tight as you can. All right, this one is done. Check the other side. Pin is secured on this side. How's the level looking?
Reads perfectly level here. We're stable.
Main rotor's next. Carts are ready.
Looks good. Let's get the hoist.
Okay, the pin is free. Stood on the blade. I've got the weight. Let's bring it down to the cradle. Try the pry bar right here.
Okay, I've got leverage.
Easy, there it goes. Look inside. Give it more power. It's moving now. Get the last bolt deck. Clear, she's ready for the lift. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Okay, bringing it down slowly now. It's finally moving.
All right, easy now. Watch your feet when it drops.
Okay, pull harder now.
It's really stuck right here. I think we got it now.
Significant pitting visible on the compressor blades, consistent with salt corrosion. Moving deeper now.
Okay, disassembly complete.
We got it. Check the compressor vanes.
Definitely moderate corrosion here. We'll need to replace the assembly.
That is the final bolt, torque to specification.
Confirmed. The unit is complete. Okay, torque is set on the fuel line.
Let me check that connection. Looks good. Move to the next one.
Looks solid. Good job. Can you pass me the torque wrench?
Sure. Applying the first bolt now.
Just a few more inches. Careful alignment.
Reading steady. Mating complete.
Perfect. Let's lock it down.
Okay, slowly lower it. Watch the splines. It's aligning now. All right, applying torque. Almost there. Verified. Good job.
The gearbox is secure. Hand me the torque wrench.
Here you go. Final check on the blades.